You know, a question that pops up surprisingly often is whether both husband and wife need to fill out those KYC forms when selling a property in Jamaica. People seem to think you can just have one person handle it.
Funny thing is, I hear that all the time too. But actually, if both names are on the title, true joint owners, each person has to complete their own KYC form. It's not just red tape. The law expects both to be fully identified.
Exactly. And that's all because of Jamaica's Real Estate Act and the Proceeds of Crime Act. Right? They're pretty clear about making sure every legal owner gets verified. It's all about anti-money laundering and stopping shady deals before they start.
That's spot on. POCA especially doesn't leave much wiggle room. They want to know who's really behind the transaction. Think of it like a security check, so there's no chance someone's hiding money through real estate. Plus, if both spouses sign off, it kind of protects everyone from disputes down the line.
Yeah, nobody wants a situation where one partner sells the house and the other's left saying, wait, I never agreed to that. Having both complete the process just makes things cleaner. So if a couple owns property together, what's the actual process? What paperwork are they each filling out?
Each spouse needs to fill out their own KYC form, no sharing. They'll both need to provide a photo ID, their TRN, and proof of address. And when it comes to contracts, like the listing agreement or sales contract, signatures from both are a must.
That actually reminds me, what if only one spouse is listed on the title? Does the other still have to jump through all those hoops?
If only one name's on the title, then just that spouse needs to handle the KYC. But, and this is important, sometimes marital property laws can still give the other spouse a legal claim. So it's always safer to double check with a lawyer before skipping any steps.
Makes total sense. I guess the big takeaway is, don't make assumptions, get proper advice before you start signing anything. Before we wrap, I think it's worth reminding everyone this isn't legal advice, right? Regulations can be strict and they shift over time.
Absolutely. What we talked about today is just for general guidance. Real estate transactions in Jamaica are heavily regulated. So if you're actually about to sell or buy, the safest move is to check with a licensed attorney or real estate professional. Every situation has its quirks,